Hello, Ayan. Now I can see you. It's very dark, but still, nonetheless, hope I can see you. Abdul Bari, open your camera. Everyone. All right. This is an ICT class. You have to bring out your ICT book and copy. Now we have done chapter number 3 explanation in class. Everyone, what you're gonna do is open page number 36 in your book. Did you all done the chapter 3 exercise? Question number 1 and question number 2. Hello, Ayan sir.
और मोबाइल फोन रेडी नहीं हो रहा आपको हो रहा मोबाइल फोन किधर
Anna Kadesh. Yes, everyone, this is going to ICT because I'm going to start exercising chapter number 3, page number
जी ये भी
2.
आपके
Please mute everyone. If you have any question, raise your hand. All right, everyone, we are on page number 36, exercise number 1 and 2 we have done in class. Yes, we are learning new software that is KTurtle. You all know how to open a KTurtle, but still I will give you a little bit of introduction how to open a KTurtle again over here so that those who are facing problem they know how to solve it later now. See everyone, I'm sharing with you all. This is the Google page. All you have to do is write down Growl app over here. Can you see? I have already opened, so it's showing it to me. Growl app. The very first website you see over here is the KTurtle written on the dorm. KTurtle. All need to just click on the KTurtle. Alright, the software will upload you and show you KTurtle. This is the icon of KTurtle software. Alright, all you have to do is you need to launch online. Click on the blue button, you can see the option launch online. A new window will appear. All have you are joining for the first time, you have to sign up. Sign up here. Since I've already signed up, you have to log in.
यहाँ पे तो कहीं भी लिखा हुआ है प्राइवेट कोड एशिया लिखा हुआ है मैं अपना नाम एशिया लिखा हुआ है कोने में और क्या लिखा हुआ है एंटर कोड लिखा हुआ है
Yes, everyone, you see, launch online. You are joining for the first
ये
time.
एंटर कोड को दबा दिया
You need to sign up. Click over here on the red button, sign up. You have to write down your name,
कैपिटल या
and
स्मॉल
you need to write down the email address. Please mute your microphone, otherwise
टी
you would get confused. Okay, email address, you need to write down the email address of your elder brother or sister or your parents, which is working, okay? It should be working email address, and here you can type down the password over here. All right. Next is everyone, you need to sign up. Then you will get an email notification in your email address, which you have put it over here. आपने जो email यहाँ लिखा है ना, on this email address over here, you see this email address, you will get the email notification in your email address. आपने वहां जाके confirm करना है अपनी email से. Then you can sign up from here. Since I've already signed up, I'm going to just log in over here with my email address, okay? And you can see they're asking you launch KTurtle with
Assalamualaikum, miss.
Walaikum Salam. See, you have to click on this one, not the upgrade version, everyone. You have to click on the launch KTurtle with limited capabilities. Okay, it will be highlighted you. Once you click it, it will give you a loading page. Okay, see, this is the loading page. Now you see it's loading KTurtle and now it's open. Click on the maximize button and you can start using this software. All right, everyone. Very easy to use online. Very easy. Okay. Now I hope you can type down the commands over here, which I have already shown you how to type in the classroom. Yes, everyone? Good. Now minimizing,
Miss,
ask you, just a second. Yes, Faria.
Miss, I was just saying, teacher, can I show you online?
You don't need to show me online, but you need to take a picture once you are done with the command prompt, okay? Once you type it down, you don't need to
Miss?
take a picture of it and send it to me, okay?
Okay, miss, thank you.
Okay. Everyone, did you open this software in your home? I got two messages that they are confusing with opening the email. Beta, you have to
Miss?
open the email address which you have written down. आपने जो provide किए email address आपने उससे login होना है, okay? Okay. Now everyone, we are on book page number 36. We have done this exercise in classroom. Yes. Fill in the blanks and true false we have already done. Those who didn't done it, please complete it with the instructions I have given in class. Now we are on page number 37. Application based question. Please open your copy as well with you. We are going to work on copy and book simultaneously. Okay. Application based question. Now you see they're asking you, consider the KTurtle main screen shown below and answer the questions that follow. Okay, you have to answer the two questions they have written down after this window. You see, I have shown you the KTurtle window. Once you open it, you can see the KTurtle window. Now they're asking you two questions. Which page is used for entering commands? Who's going to answer me that question? Yes, Hassan?
I will try it today.
Okay, you will try today. But I'm asking you, did you open page number 37 from your book, everyone? Page number 37 from your book. Mahir, Asif, Ayan, Abbas, Alizba, Hamid, Maheen Khan. Please open your camera. Faria, you also. Yes, this page I'm talking about. Hassan, give me the answer of number 1. Which pane we use for entering commands? On KTurtle, which pane we use for entering commands? Who's going to give me the answer?
Teacher, what are you?
We are reading beta book. We are reading book. We are doing question answers from book page number 37. Yes. What happened? Everyone, nobody knows that where we enter the commands. Huh? Where we enter commands in KTurtle?
Miss Editor Pen.
Very good, Hassan. Thank God. Everyone write it down editor in the answer. In front of question number 1, you need to answer it.
Miss.
See.
Miss.
GG. Yes, Ishal. Ayan Ali, you are asking something? All right, everyone.
मुझे ऐप
G. Ayan Ali, you are asking about something about app. अभी मैंने display किया how to open an app.
ऐप मुझे डाउनलोड करना है.
If you can download it, but try to launch it online. जब तक download नहीं हो रहा, you have to use it online, okay? Okay, now everyone, you see this screen. I'm showing you again the KTurtle software.
KTurtle ऐप को लॉगिन कैसे करें?
I have shown you. It's a very easy step. Now I'm again showing you.
टीचर
Please do
मैंने
not
इसमें
ask me
स्क्वायर भी बनाया है।
I'm showing in class. Everyone, silence. Write down roll after Google. When we search it, you will see the very first application over here. The very first search engine, KTurtle. Over here. Click on the KTurtle. You will get the launch page. Click on the launch online button. Sign up. And then you will open a KTurtle software. Now, Hassan already gave me the answer of question number 1 in page number 37. We use this pen for writing.
ट्राई किया हुआ है टीचर, मैंने इसमें स्क्वायर ट्राई किया हुआ है टीचर, मैंने इसमें स्क्वायर बनाया है।
Oh wow, well done, well done. Okay, now everyone back to the question answers. Please pay attention in my question answers. Page number 37, question number 1 is done. Editor, आपने bracket में उस question के आगे answer लिखना है. Editor. All right. Editor. Number 2. Name the pane in which the turtle sits. KTurtle software में turtle किस वाले pane पे बैठता है? What is the name of that pane? Who's going to tell me? Yes, Faria. Unmute your mic.
Miss, the turtle sits on the canvas.
Excellent, Faria. Excellent. Everyone, you have to make a bracket and write down canvas and then bracket close. In front of that question, make a bracket, write down canvas, C-A-N.
Welcome, teacher.
Walaikum salam. Why are you late? And please mute your microphone. Everyone, yes, I see question answer, Zainab. You can unmute yourself and ask me.
Miss, I don't have worksheet.
You don't have worksheet? Okay. Next Monday, you will bring our ICD copy. I'll paste the worksheet on it. Right now, we are doing on book exercise. Zainab?
Miss, today?
This is book exercise we are doing today. Page number 37 is the book, Zainab. Page number 37. Page number 37. Everyone, we have very limited time. Please pay attention over here. Mohammed Ahmed, you just joined.
Miss, which day I'm copy?
Page number 37.
Teacher, मेरा पेज नंबर 36 हुआ है। Miss, which day
page
I
number
will bring
37.
copy? Miss, which day I will bring copy?
Monday and Wednesday. You have given the time on Monday and Wednesday. You can bring either day. Try to bring it on Monday so that we can do exercise on Wednesday. Good.
Okay.
Yes, I can see you guys have done question number 1 and 2 on page number 36. I know we have done this in class. We are doing exercise number 3, page number 37. Okay. A is done. Now we are moving on to the B. B. Ika has typed and executed the following program in KTurtle. I have shown you how to make a rectangle and triangle in software in classroom. Yes, I've shown you how to put the command in editor pane. Yes, everyone, you have seen the commands how I put it in the classroom. Yes, KTurtle open करके I have put down the commands and show you how it works. Yes. Now, number 1 question on the figure that has appeared. Name the figure that has appeared on the canvas. Can you see? Canvas में एक picture draw हो गई है. Turtle ने एक picture draw की है. What is the name of that picture? Yes, Abraham.
Teacher, triangle.
No. Page number 37.
Oh, sorry. Rectangle. Rectangle.
Yeah, it's a rectangle. Yeah, it's a rectangle.
Teacher.
जी.
टीचर, मैंने जो है अपने लैपटॉप के ऊपर भी KTurtle को ऑनलाइन लॉन्च किया है और जो आपने लिंक भी भेजा था उससे भी वर्क नहीं हो रहा वो।
Beta, I have shown you अभी आपके साथ very easy to launch it. There will be some problem. आपको क्या करना है, अपनी email address जो आपने दिया है, you have to go to that email address. आपको वो खोलना है, उसे login करना है, उससे आपने confirm करना है.
टीचर मैंने किया है।
Confirm किए बगैर
टीचर मैंने किया है।
किया है? Then I don't find any problem in
नहीं
that.
हुआ लेकिन टीचर but it doesn't work.
Okay, I'll show you again. I'll show you in the end of the class. I will show you again. Please follow the procedure when I show you. Okay, you will find it easy to do it. All right. आपने question number B में figure क्या देखिए rectangle. So you need to write down rectangle in the bracket.
Miss,
Who joined very late? I'm very disappointed. You know we have only 30 minutes class, and would you want me to repeat the each question every time you join in? सारे के सारे एक साथ join क्यों नहीं है? Why did you guys join on time? मैं question number 1 को full time repeat कर दे रहा हूँ. एक ही बार you are asking, all of you are asking the same question again and again. तो 30 minutes में सिर्फ आप लोग के एक question का मैं answer दूँ. Please everyone listen carefully for each and every one question. एक अगर कोई क्वेश्चन कर रहा है तो यू ऑल हैव टू लिसन टू इट वेरी केयरफुली. हो सकता है आपका क्वेश्चन सेम हो. ऑलराइट, सो डोंट वेस्ट टाइम ऑन आस्किंग द सेम क्वेश्चन अगेन एंड अगेन. ऑलराइट, नंबर बी में क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में जा रही हूँ. देन आई विल टेक क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. ओके, नंबर बी क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. which button on the toolbar is used to execute the command? कौन से वाले टूल बार नेम से हम एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं? विच बटन वी यूज फॉर एग्जीक्यूटिंग द कमांड? यस अलिशबा, unmute your mic Alishba and answer me. Which button we use to execute a command?
what way?
मम्मा
Repeat.
क्लास का पीरियड लेकर आओ.
Everyone, which button
मिस आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही।
which
खाने
button
की
we use to execute the command बेटा?
मिस जब भी आप बोलते हैं कोई
Let me see. Can anyone answer me? Which button we use to execute a command? Yes, Talbia. Unmute your mic.
undo
Talbia will unmute your mic. Yes, Talbia. Only one person unmute the mic. Do not unmute your mic, everyone. Yes, Talbia, please answer me. If you don't know the answer, I will move on to the next person. You don't know the
टीचर
answer? Un क्या होता है?
undo
Undo से execute होते हैं command. Are you serious?
oh sorry
Next person goes. Okay, now next
teacher
person. Rehan, sit properly.
teacher
This is how you will take the class.
मिस आमना
Yes.
पेज नंबर कौन सा है?
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Page number 37.
37 okay right
Well, now it's only 8 minutes left and you are still asking me to what page we are in. So disappointing. Yes, Alicia, give me the answer. Which command we use to execute?
teacher
All are talking together. I'm going to
teacher
do all. Yes,
teacher teacher आप कौन सा काम बता रही हैं? This we use execute button to execute.
No, there is
Teacher?
one more button for execution.
teacher
Yes,
teacher teacher आप बुक में काम करवा रही हैं कॉपी में? मिस
now I need to just laugh it out. I am
Miss?
about to be out on page number 37. Obviously, if the page number 37 is from book data.
Page editor.
Any page in ICT copy? All right, everyone, I'm going to mute you all and I'm
Miss?
going to unmute you all because you are all talking together. Now, everyone, which button on the toolbar we use to execute a command? Hassan, please give me the answer of this question. Hassan,
which question?
B, question number 2. Page number 37. Question number B, question number 2. Which button on the toolbar is used to execute the command? After typing the command on editor pane, which button we click on to execute the command for turtle to draw on canvas? हमने कौन सा बटन यूज किया था कमांड के लिए कि वो कमांड एग्जीक्यूट करे और टर्टल ड्राइंग करे? Which button? Everyone, you must see page number that's on page number 30, figure number 3.4. You can see that button on it. It is a detailed picture of the KTurtle diagram which have given everything on it. Now who's going to give me the answer of it? Yes, Alishba.
मिस आपने क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा है?
Alishba, when you didn't listen the question, how can you raise the hand?
मिस क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा है आपने?
बुक ओपन की है आपने, पेज नंबर 37, बी पार्ट देखिए. बी पार्ट का क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, पिक्चर के नीचे क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. इट इज रिटन ओवर देयर व्हिच बटन ऑन द टूल बार इज यूज्ड टू एग्जीक्यूट द कमांड. कौन सा वो बटन था व्हिच आफ्टर राइटिंग ऑन एडिटर
कैनवस.
व्हाई सो मच बिहाइंड यू? It's a run. What happened to all of you? You guys didn't perform this. How can you give me the test next week? You all have to give me test of chapter number 3 next week. Without using that software, you won't be able to give any test. Now everyone, bracket में आपने लिखना है run. Run program, page number 30 में figure number 3.4. You can see page number 30, figure number 3.4. Everyone, open your book, page number 30, 3030. Page number 30, 3030, page number 30, figure number 3.4. You can see after writing down the command, you have to click on the run option from the menu bar. Then the turtle will draw that command on canvas. Now that's it for the book. अब आपने होमवर्क में कौन सा पेज करना है? पेज नंबर 38, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आपने करना है KTurtle सॉफ्टवेयर में A एंड B. आपने A एंड B के कमांड्स डालने जैसे मैंने आपको शो किया था क्लासरूम में. एंड आपने उसका नेम यहाँ पे लिखना है, नेम ऑफ द फिगर, एंड ड्रॉ करनी है स्क्वायर में उसकी पिक्चर. ओके, एंड यू हैव टू टेक अ पिक्चर ऑफ दैट कमांड. आपने जब KTurtle में ड्रॉ कर लेंगे तो उसकी आपने लेनी है तो स्क्रीनशॉट या लेनी है आपने एक पिक्चर एंड मुझे सेंड करनी है व्हाट्सएप पे. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, पेज नंबर 38. एवरीवन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, ठीक है, पेज नंबर 38. दिस इज योर होमवर्क. पेज नंबर 38, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में आपके पास क्या क्या है? आपके पास है A एंड B. ठीक है, A एंड B आपने वो दोनों करना है. आपने क्या करना है, उस पे आपने लिखना है उनकी नेम ऑफ द फिगर. नेम ऑफ द फिगर लिखना है आपने. ठीक है, एंड आपने ड्रॉ करनी है पिक्चर ऑन रेक्टेंगल बॉक्स. आपके पास रेक्टेंगल बॉक्स बना होगा, उसमें आपने वहां जो कमांड आपने जब देंगे तो उसमें रेक्टेंगल बॉक्स में आपने उसके यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करना होगा. ओके, यहाँ पर रेक्टेंगल बॉक्स में आपने ड्रॉ करना है और नेम ऑफ द फिगर में आपने नेम लिखना है कि क्या हुआ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, A एंड B, नेम ऑफ द फिगर एंड ड्रॉ करना है. ओके, दिस विल बी योर होमवर्क. This will be your homework from book. Now open your copy, everyone. ठीक है, this is the homework from book. Now open everyone your copy, ICT copy. हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 करना है. आंसर द फॉलोइंग इन 1 word or 2 words. आंसर द फॉलोइंग इन वन वर्ड और टू वर्ड। आपने अपनी बुक ओपन करनी है, चैप्टर नंबर 3 रीड करना है और आपने उसके क्वेश्चन आंसर सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करना है। आपके आंसर्स वन वर्ड या टू वर्ड में होने चाहिए। ओके, चैप्टर नंबर 3 के ये क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हैं। आई वांट टू सी हाउ डू यू अंडरस्टैंड चैप्टर नंबर 3 वेरी क्लियरली। नाउ गो turn your page and move to question number 3. Open your ICD copy. Someone open your ICD copy and show me. Show me your ICD copy. Question number 3. Write down the full form of the following command. आपने 1 से लेकर 5 तक की commands BW, FW, TR, TL and F5 इनकी full names लिखने हैं। ठीक है, you all know that what is the full form of these one. Question number 3 करना है from your copy. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 फ्रॉम योर कॉपी। ओके, आपने फुल फॉर्म लिखनी है सारे वर्ड्स की फुल फॉर्म। BW की फुल फॉर्म क्या थी? यस हसन, BW की फुल फॉर्म क्या थी?
वैसे अपने क्वेश्चन आंसर्स ग्रुप ए को करवाए हैं, ग्रुप बी को नहीं करवाए।
कॉपी में पेस्टिंग नहीं की बेटा मैंने?
नो।
ओके, देन ऑल ऑफ यू ब्रिंग योर ICD कॉपी ऑन द मंडे। ठीक है, बुक एंड ICD कॉपी बोथ यू हैव टू ब्रिंग इट ऑन मंडे। आई वांट टू फेस दिस वर्कशीट सो दैट यू कैन गाइस डू इट इन होम and so that I can take a test of you all. ठीक है?
ओके।
So everyone जिनके पास बुक एक्सरसाइज नहीं है, सॉरी जिनके पास कॉपी पे वर्कशीट नहीं है, you all have to do the book exercise. आपने बुक एक्सरसाइज करनी है एंड आपने प्रैक्टिस करनी है सॉफ्टवेयर ओपन करने की, सॉफ्टवेयर रन करने की as much as you can. ठीक है? Now I am going to show you. Now I am going to show you कि सॉफ्टवेयर कैसे अगेन ओपन करना है लास्ट टाइम. Alright? Then nobody should complain कि मुझसे software open नहीं हो रहा, launch online. Everyone sit properly and listen to it how to open a KTurtle software online. Then you have to practice on it. Iman, you are very late in my class. Now, did you understand anything? Since you are joined very late, you won't be able to understand. And I don't have enough time to explain right now because time is almost up. Everyone, last time I'm showing you how to open it. Listen carefully how to open it. ठीक है, आपने जाना है गूगल पे. This is the Google page. Once you open the Google Chrome, you will see the Google over here. Write down Roll app over here. Roll, ROLLAPP. Roll app. It's a simple spelling. Roll app. Click on the enter button. You will see the very first search website is showing you KTurtle. KTurtle written over here. Just directly click on the KTurtle. Once you click on the KTurtle, you will see the icon of KTurtle software. And here on the right side, you will see the launch online button with the blue rocket. Click on the launch online button and it will show you another screen. It will show you another screen, everyone. Now you have to open it with sign up or sign in. Because I've already opened it with my email address, so it is asking me to launch KTurtle with limited capabilities. If you didn't sign up, you have to sign first time user, you have to sign up. Sign up में आपने first अपने name लिखना है, email address लिखना है and अपना password डालना है. जब आप ईमेल एड्रेस लिख लेंगी तो वो आपकी ईमेल पे, उस ईमेल पे आपको एक मेल भेजेंगे. यू हैव टू गो एंड ओपन दैट ईमेल एड्रेस. आपने वहां जाकर उस ईमेल से अप्रूव करना है. देन आपने वापस बैक टू दैट पेज आना है. आपने लॉन्च KTurtle विद लिमिटेड कैपेबिलिटीज पे ऑन करना है एंड यू सी इट्स लोडिंग एंड इट्स ऑन. Alright everyone, very easy step. Just for the first time it is difficult for you, other than next time you will be easily open it without any problem. This is the turtle page and you have to write down first of all the forward command, backward command. Easily type enter after each command, give space between two commands. ठीक है, easy करना है. और then last में you have to just run प्रोग्राम में जाना है. run speed default में आपने slow पे क्लिक करना है and the turtle will draw for you. Done. Nobody will ask me, I didn't show you. I have shown you now software 3 to 4 times now. Everyone, I'm taking question answer. Please ask a very sensible question, okay? And everyone have to listen so that you won't ask the same question. Asad, is this the time to join the class? All right. First question answer. I'm taking question from Malahim. Yes, Malahim. Please ask a sensible question, please. Yes, Malahim. Yes, Alishba. Ask question.
Miss, may I go to washroom?
The class is over. You can leave. Yes, Abraham.
टीचर टीचर जैसे आपने करके बताया मुझे समझ तो आ गई है, लेकिन जब मैंने किया था सारा अपने लैपटॉप के अंदर सारा ऑनलाइन किया था, लेकिन वो तो फिर डॉलर मांग रहा था पूरे
बेटा you must have
$6।
upgraded version में नहीं जाना. You have to use the limited resources. आपने limited resources वाले में क्लिक करना है. ओके आपके पास अपग्रेड का ऑप्शन भी
Okay.
आएगा. आपने अपग्रेड में जाएंगी तो it will ask you money for it. You just use the limited version. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Leave if you want to. If you have any question, you can ask me. Yes. Next, Alish Shariar. What is your question, Shariar? Shariar, you are not
मिस
getting.
मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा
Beta, you have to
मुझे
join on
समझ
time
नहीं
to
आ रहा
understand this thing, na Shariar. You are so late in my class. How can you understand in the middle of the class? आपको टाइम पे ज्वाइन करना है एंड टाइम पे इंस्ट्रक्शन सुननी है. इफ यू ज्वाइन इन द मिडल ऑफ द क्लास, हाउ कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हिच वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट. अब मैं क्लास के बिगनिंग मिडल ऑफ द क्लास में मैं दोबारा से एक्सप्लेन करूंगी तो बेटा इट इज द वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम फॉर एवरीवन हु जॉइन इन द फर्स्ट टाइम. ठीक है 3:30 पे अगर आप ज्वाइन नहीं होंगे तो मिडल ऑफ द क्लास में मैं आपको अगेन एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं दे सकूंगी बिकॉज वो वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम होगा सबके लिए. ऑलराइट, आपने क्वेश्चन चैप्टर नंबर 3 रीड करना अंडरस्टैंड करना है और अपने के टर्टल सॉफ्टवेयर ओपन करके उस पर प्रैक्टिस करनी है. इफ यू प्रैक्टिस ऑन दिस के टर्टल सॉफ्टवेयर then you will able to understand what I'm talking about. Yes, Zainab.
Miss, I have two questions.
Yes, Zainab.
What will do in here? मुझे क्या
Once
ड्रॉ
you
करना है यहाँ पे?
आपने कमांड आपके सामने लिखा हुआ है ए एंड बी में. ठीक है आपने कमांड 1 बाय 1 करके टाइप करेंगी देन आप रन करेंगी. F5 दबाएंगी रन होगा कमांड. तो जब वो ड्रॉ कर देगा टर्टल तो व्हाट ड्राइंग विल इट लुक लाइक कैनवस पे वो क्या ड्रॉ करेगा आपने वो पिक्चर इस यहाँ पर ड्रॉ करना है. ओके
ओके एंड हमें लॉन्च वो जो रॉकेट बना था लॉन्च ऑनलाइन
ऑनलाइन.
पे
यस आपने लॉन्च ऑनलाइन पे क्लिक करना है. आपको नई विंडो ओपन करके वो आपसे आप पूछेगा कि दैट यू वांट टू साइन अप और यू वांट टू लॉग इन. बिकॉज आप फर्स्ट टाइम साइन अप होंगे, ये फर्स्ट टाइम आप यूज करेंगे तो आपने साइन अप करना है. साइन अप. ठीक है आपने अपना नेम लिखना है देन आपने उसमें ईमेल एड्रेस डालनी है वो वाली जो एक्टिव है. ठीक है जो यूज कर रहा है कोई. देन आपने पासवर्ड डालना है. फिर आपने उस ईमेल एड्रेस वाले को ओपन करना है. वहां पर आपके पास रोल ऐप से एक ईमेल आएगी. आपने उस ईमेल को एक्टिवेट करना है. जब आप उसे एक्टिवेट कर देंगी तब वो आपकी ईमेल एड्रेस को एक्टिवेट करने के बाद आप लॉगिन हो जाएंगी के टर्टल में. ओके फिर आपने वापस के टर्टल पे आना है और लॉगिन करना है. ठीक है ओके. एनी मोर क्वेश्चन? यस उस्मा.
मिस वो अभी मेरे पास कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं है तो मैं लीव कर सकती हूँ.
व्हाट इज योर नेम?
हानिया.
हानिया बेटा यू ज्वाइन वेरी लेट. डू यू वांट टू जस्ट टेक एन अटेंडेंस? आप सिर्फ अटेंडेंस के लिए आई हैं क्लास में?
यस
व्हाई बेटा?
टीचर मैंने सब कुछ सुन लिया, मेरे पास कुछ क्वेश्चन नहीं तो मैं लीव कर लूँ.
Yes, those who understand everything and have no question, you can leave the class. But I want to say something that you will be having a test number 1 next week. So be prepared yourself. Do a lots of practice on KTurtle software. Do question answers from book, and once you give your ICT copy and book on Monday. Monday you all have to submit your ICT copy and book so that I can paste ICT worksheet and check your books on it. Okay, then you will have to complete the books exercise and copy exercise, and Wednesday ko we will be having a test one, and I will share the marks of distribution for spring term. Okay, on your WhatsApp, I will share the marks distribution of ICT as well. So you have to give me your best in everything, and in the class presentation, participation, copy work, attendance, everything will be count in spring term. Okay, and I have a paper also, and I will give you one project as well. I'm watching each and every one. If you just appear for the attendance, you will get the marks for the attendance, but you won't be getting the marks for the participation. Okay, everyone who is listening, who is appearing only for the attendance, you will get the marks for attendance, but you will not get the marks for participation. Participation also has the marks. So everyone has to pay attention and give me the answers, which are questions I ask you. All right, everyone, that's it for today. Take care of yourself. Practice as much as you can. Allah Hafiz.